everyone. My name is Aarav Sharma.
Aarav, what is the sound of cat?
Meow, meow.
What is the sound of dog?
Woof, woof, woof.
What is the sound of cow?
Moo.
What is the sound of pig?
Oink, oink, oink.
What is the sound of horse?
Neigh, neigh, neigh.
What is the sound of hen?
Cluck, cluck, cluck.
What is the sound of lion?
Loo, loo.
What is the sound of elephant?
Trumpet.
What is the sound of duck?
Quack, quack.
And what is the sound of snake? Say thank you.